Hi, I'm Tom Summers with Edina Realty, and today I'm going to cover one of the topics on how to protect yourself as a buyer when you're purchasing a foreclosure. You can use this advice if you're trying to purchase a short sale or regular residential property as well. What I want to talk to you about here is a marked up title binder. Where you typically will get this document is from your closer on the day of closing. And essentially what it does is it outlines how they got to the point to say, yes, here's your new home that you're purchasing, it's free and clear of any issues and you own it outright. This is typically the case, but in some situations we've seen in the past where something pops up later on that was missed on the title search for one reason or another, by no one's fault, it just happens. So by having the marked up title binder, if you end up in a situation like that where someone comes and knocks on your door 5 years from now and says, hey, you know, I'm the ex-wife of so-and-so and I never signed off on this and I still own the house and things like that, or have rights to the home, you can go back to this marked up title binder and you can look at the history of it, and it'll have all the contact information right there for you to the insurance company that's insuring your ownership or title of the house. This way, in case the title company that you used at closing is shut down by that point, you still have someone to go back to. Which also leads me to the other point, that it's very important that you pick a really good title company when you're closing on your house. The seller is going to have a title company that's protecting their interests, and you as a buyer need to have one that will protect yours. In the state of Minnesota, you the buyer have a right to choose whatever title company that you want to work with. So don't let anyone tell you different. It's maybe different in other states, but in Minnesota you have the right to do so, and I highly recommend that you pick someone that has a really good track record that you know is going to be there in 10-20 years from now. So not only when you go to sell your house again, if you decide to move up, you also have all the information at your fingertips because that title company is still in business and will have all of that stuff in a file for you. So make sure that you ask for this document at closing. It should be no hassle for that closer to give it to you. You can even ask for it ahead of time so they have it done and ready for you on the day of closing. It's just another way for you to protect yourself against any potential problems down the road. I really believe that knowledge is power, and the more that you know makes you a better buyer. Thanks so much for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I have other ones posted as well. Just check us out at Realtorology on YouTube. Thanks so much and have a great day.